One key to quality application is good record keeping. The first thing we need to do to ensure our records are accurate is to create a proper tank mix to match what's been loaded onto the machine. To do that on the Case IH Viper 4 Plus, go to the New Product Configuration window. You'll need to name your product configuration. Let's call this one Burn Down. Other examples could be Pre-emerge corn, Post beans, or Defoliate. The next step is to create a mixture name. This can be anything you want it to be. In this case, we're going to call it Roundup, because that's the main product in our solution. When the drop-down is selected, notice that Roundup is the only item in this current nickname list. All other mixes, once created, will show here for easy selection. The Display As box will automatically be completed using the first 4 letters of your mix name. As you can see in our example, ROUN filled the box. Tank level is the next item in the list. This value is determined by the settings entered through the VT portion of the display. This is a 1,200-gallon tank, and you can see the tank level is full. However, this may not always be the case, and should match the load on your machine. Next, a carrier must be selected. The carrier you're using may appear on the list of common options in the drop-down menu. If not, simply enter the carrier name to add it to the menu. In this example, we'll choose water. Enter the volume of the carrier loaded into the tank. We'll use 1,150 gallons for this example. Keep in mind, this tank mix is for example only and is not going to be representative of an actual tank mix. The next step is to add chemical products. To add the chemicals to the mix, touch the plus button at the bottom of the screen and simply search through the list. This preloaded list contains most of the chemicals that are available commercially today. In this example, we're going to search for Roundup. All of the available options for the different types of Roundup appear. For this example, we're going to choose Roundup Power Max. Click on your selection and touch the green arrow. If you know the registration code, you can enter that here, and it will print on the report. For some of the chemicals in this list, a registration code will appear in this box. Simply select the registration code and touch the OK button. We're going to select None. We can now enter the quantity of that product that's in our tank. The nice thing is, this is simply based on ratios, so we can do this on a per tank load basis or on a per acre basis, whichever makes more sense. Next, we'll add a second product in the same manner as before. This time we'll search for AMS. This will pull up a list of all our AMS options that are available. Select the chemical that is loaded on the machine. In this example, we'll pick AMS 2000 from United Suppliers. Touch the green arrow and enter the desired amount. We'll add one more product to fill our tank mix. Note that the most recent chemicals used will show in the Favorite Products page for easy selection. This list can also be edited at any time. You can see we searched for crop oil, but our chemical wasn't listed, so we searched by the chemical name of Diplomat instead. The entire chemical name doesn't have to be entered in the blank in order to search. Enter the chemical amount in the mix. Once the tank mix is complete, touch the green arrow. You can see that the burn-down tank mix is created and ready to be used. Note that the icon shows tank volume and the ROUN abbreviation, so we know exactly which mix it is. You can see we loaded a full tank, but the mix volume shown was 85%. To fill the tank, touch the VT button, and then touch the tank to fill to 100%. Following this process for each tank mixture will ensure accurate record keeping. We hope this video has helped you understand how to use your new Patriot sprayer equipped with AIM Command Flex from Case IH. Don't forget to check out our other videos covering a wide range of setup and operation topics to learn more about making AIM Command Flex work for you.